SAT, ACT, I'm sure you guys already know what these are, and if you have any questions, we can answer those. But this is just saying which is which and why is one better than the other. I'm gonna just go over this one, but really, this is our take. This is SAC, ACT 2021. I was looking at what UC's policy has come out. It's like they're doing test optional 2021-22, which doesn't mean that because it's optional, you can take it as optional. I think it's just a plot. If it's there, you better take it. If the school says it's test blind, I get it. You don't have to do it. But test optional means you better do it. Because they will look at it. If you could have a 1400 in or 1500 in SAT, or you have a 35 in SAT and test is optional, use common sense over there that they will give you a favorable outcome over there. Like I said, a lot of this is just common sense, but a lot of people just say, hey, it's test optional. I don't need to do it. Shreya, I think you're going to be looking at the chat. So if you have any questions or if you see any questions coming up, let me know. But,
Um,
you know,
Nikhil is asking, do those 3 years count work done in seventh and eighth grade? And yes, they do, of course. Like it just means go up to your third or fourth year of Spanish
yeah.
or like French or whatever you're taking. But yeah.
And take the SAT, both. Keep all your options open. Apply to many schools. Don't go for few schools. We did like 18 or 19 schools total. It's doable. Once you're past the first 4 5, and then it becomes a process where the first 4 5 is going to be hard, but 18 or 20, honestly, it doesn't matter at that point. Just have enough time with you. Make a strategy for your early actions, and we'll talk about that when you get into senior year, or if you attend the next session, which is about early action, early decision. Analyze the strength of your application. Ask people, to ask multiple people, what do you think about the strength of your application? If you're going to apply to Georgia Tech and saying, hey, this is where I'm thinking of attempting, and here's my details. What do you think about it, right? Just gets a few perspectives on it. Reach out to the admissions counselors directly or the admissions team at Georgia Tech and just call. Early in the year, they don't have much going on. And so I'm thinking of applying over here, and here are my strengths. What do you guys think about it? And they'll actually answer. They'll tell you what they look for in a student, and they might ask you some questions right there. Remember this thing, that if you're going to ask them anything, that's going in your file. If you're speaking something, if you're taking interest in the school, that is going in your file. And that file, I used to work for a company that built software for these companies, okay, for schools. Everything, every email you send goes into a file. So careful, but at the same time, do it.